In this video, we are going to discuss about 10th Standard Karnataka Board MCQ based model question paper with solution. Here, 4 choices are given. For each of the questions are incomplete statement. We have to choose the correct answer. The question is, a device used to change the resistance in an electric circuit is. There are 4 options. In that, ammeter is a device which is used to measure the current. Galvanometer, a device which is used to detect the current. Voltmeter is a device which is used to measure the voltage. So the correct answer is answer B, rheostat, a device which is used to measure the resistance. The next question is, in Fleming's left hand rule, middle finger indicates the direction of the. There are 4 options. If you see the picture which is displayed on the screen, in that middle finger indicates the current direction. That means the correct answer is option C, electric current. The next question is, a doctor prescribes a corrective lens of power minus 0.5D to a person. The focal length of lens and the type is. There are 4 options. In that, the correct answer is answer A, minus 2 meter and concave lens. The next question is, the nature and the size of the image formed when the object is kept between the principal focus f1 and optical center O of a convex lens is. There are 4 options. If you see the table which is displayed on the screen, based on that, the correct answer is option A, virtual, erect and enlarged. The next question is, the potential difference between the terminals of electric heater is 60 volts. When it draws a current of 4 ampere from the source, the resistance of electric heater coil is. There are 4 options. If you use the Ohm's law, which is getting displayed on the screen, R equal to V by I. So the correct answer is option A, 15 ohms. The next question is, the diameter of the circular outline of a spherical lens is. There are 4 options. The data which is getting displayed on the screen, based on that, the answer C, aperture is the correct answer. The next question is, the inner wall of the solar cooker is painted black because this. There are 4 options. If you see the data which is getting displayed on the screen, based on that, option B, absorbs more heat is the correct answer. The next question is, the function of electric generator is 8. There are 4 options. If you see the data which is getting displayed on the screen, based on that, the correct answer is answer D, converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. The next question is, the resistance of a conductor does not depend on. There are 4 options. If you see the data which is getting displayed on the screen, based on that, the correct answer is option C, magnetic nature. The next question is, DC generator works on the principle of. There are 4 options. If you see the data which is getting displayed on the screen, based on that, the correct answer is option A, electromagnetic induction. The next question is, what is an SI unit of? There are 4 options. In that, electric current SI unit is ampere, electric charge SI unit is coulomb, electric potential difference SI unit is voltage. So the correct answer is electric power. So option D is the correct answer. Electric power SI unit is watt. The next question is, they are given the table. They are asking us to find good conductor of electricity among this material is. There are 4 options. Actually, if the material has less resistivity, then we can say that's a good conductor of electricity. Based on this data, option B, L is the correct answer. The next question is, one of the properties of biogas. There are 4 options. Based on the data which is getting displayed on the screen, the option A, its heating capacity is I, is the correct answer. The next question is, object distance and image distance of a lens are minus 60 centimeter and minus 20 centimeter respectively. Then the magnification of lens will be. There are 4 options. The data which is displayed on the screen. Based on that, option C 0.33 is the correct answer. The next question is the process used to convert metal carbonate ores into their oxide is. There are four options. The picture which is getting displayed on the screen, based on that, option D calcination is the correct answer. The next question is the correct group of saturated hydrocarbon. There are four options. If you see the saturated hydrocarbon formula, that is CnH2n plus 2, based on that, option B is the correct answer. The next question is the atomic number of an element X is 11 and the atomic number of Y is 17. Then the type of bond formed between these two elements. Based on this information, atomic 11 which belongs to sodium and 17 for chlorine. If both together combine and form the sodium chloride, it's an inorganic compound. So based on this information, option C ionic bond is the correct answer. The next question is, as the pH value of a solution decreases, there are four options. Based on the diagram which is displayed on the screen, the option B is the correct answer, that is number of H plus ion increases. The next question is, the functional group present in the carbon compound is. They are given the compound, they are given four options. Based on the diagram which is getting displayed on the screen, option D carboxylic acid is the correct answer. The next question is, the atomic number of an element is 20. In the modern periodic table, this element belongs to the period. There are four options. If you see the periodic table diagram which is given on the screen, based on that, P4 is the correct answer. That means answer A, 4 is the correct answer. The next question is the number of single bonds present in the structure of a cyclohexane molecule. There are four options and you can see the structural formula of cyclohexane on the screen. Based on that, carbon to carbon single bond is 6, carbon to hydrogen single bond 12, totally it has 18 single bonds. So answer B 18 is the correct one. The next question is, in modern periodic table, as we move down a group, the atomic size of the element, there are four options on the screen. In that, option C increases is the correct one. The next question is, observe the following chemical reactions. They are given two reactions. They are asking us to find the decreasing order of reactivity of metals in the above reactions. There are four options on the screen. Based on that, the option A is the correct one. The next question is, the gas liberated when dilute sulfuric acid reacts with zinc granules. There are four options. In that, option D hydrogen is the correct one. The next question is, NaOH plus HCl gives rise NaCl plus H2O. This chemical reaction is an example of. They are given four options. In that, option A neutralization reaction is the correct answer. The next question is, the molecular formula of benzene is. There are four options. In that, option C C6H6 is the correct one. The next question is, the process that helps in the absorption of upward movement of water and minerals dissolved in it from roots to the leaves in plants. The correct answer is B transpiration. The next question is, the correct pathway of oxygenated blood coming from lungs to the heart in the human body. There are four options. In that, option D is the correct one. From the lungs, the oxygenated blood comes through the pulmonary veins, then it reaches the left atrium of the heart, then it moves to the left ventricle of the heart, then it passes to the entire body part. The next question is, the hormone that regulates carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism in the human body is. There are four options. In that, option C thyroxine is the correct one. The next question is, the mismatched pair among the following. There are four options. In that, the correct answer is option A adrenaline and pituitary gland. The next question is, the part of human brain responsible for precision of voluntary actions and maintaining the posture and balance of the body. There are four options. In that, option D, cerebellum is the correct one. The next question is a pathogen that causes gonorrhea and syphilis transmitted through sexual contact. There are four options. In that, option B, bacteria is the correct one. The next question is the correct sequence found in the process of sexual reproduction in flower is. There are four options. In that, option A is the correct one. Pollination, fertilization, then embryo, then the seed. The next question is the part of the plant seed that grows and develops into root on germination. The correct answer is C, radicle. The next question is if a round green seeded pea plant is crossed with wrinkled yellow seeded pea plant, the seed produced in F1 generation are. There are four options. In that, option D, round and yellow is the correct one because round is dominating character and yellow also the dominating character. That's why in F1 generation we are getting round and yellow seed. The next question is the experiences of an individual during its lifetime cannot be passed on to its progeny because there are four options. In that, option B, acquired traits is the correct one. The next question is analogous organs have, there are four options. In that, option C, different structure and same function is the correct one. The next question is ozone layer is formed from oxygen at the higher level of the atmosphere by the action of. There are four options. In that, option B, ultraviolet radiation. That's a correct one. The next question is a product that can no more be used for the original purpose but use it for some other useful purpose is. There are four options. In that, option D, repurpose is the correct one. The next question is the watershed management. There are four options. In that, option A, increases production and income of watershed community. That's the correct answer. Students, we completed the Model 1 paper. If you want to know the question and answer of the Model 2 paper, subscribe our channel and also press the bell button for the immediate notification. If you have any doubts, just comment in the comment section. And also don't forget to like and share this video to your friends. Thank you, students.